If you're looking for a way to view travel trends and analytics in Navan, you're in the right place. In this quick Navan explanation, I'll show you how to make the most of this powerful tool, whether you're new to the software or just looking to optimize your travel insights. Navan is a cutting-edge platform that streamlines travel management, offering advanced features to help businesses and travelers keep track of their journeys, analyze trends, and make data-driven decisions. One of its most powerful features is the ability to view travel trends and analytics, giving you access to valuable insights about your travel data. To get started, simply log in to Navan, where you'll find an intuitive interface that brings all your travel information into one place. Whether you're looking to monitor travel expenses, track booking patterns, or evaluate trends over time, the platform's powerful analytics tools are designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your travel activity. In Navan, you can access your travel trends by navigating to the Analytics section. Here, you'll find a variety of reports and dashboards that highlight your travel behavior and patterns. These reports are customizable, so you can choose which data points are most important to you, whether it's airfare, hotel stays, or car rentals. One of the most useful features in Navan's analytics is the ability to track how travel costs fluctuate over time. This helps you spot trends and understand the best times to book for optimal savings. You can also use the historical data to forecast future travel expenses, which is especially useful for businesses that need to plan their travel budgets. What makes Navan unique is how easy it is to interpret the data. The platform provides visualizations that break down your travel spending and trends in an easy-to-understand format. From line graphs to pie charts, Navan's visual analytics tools help you make sense of complex travel data in seconds. Whether you're comparing travel spend month over month or analyzing a specific destination's popularity, the visuals make it all clearer. You can also leverage these travel analytics for reporting and decision-making. Navan allows you to generate detailed reports that you can share with your team or clients. This feature comes in handy for business managers and travel coordinators who need to present data-backed recommendations or track travel performance over time. But what if you're looking for more in-depth insights? With Navan's advanced filters, you can drill down into specific travel categories, like business versus leisure trips, or department-specific spending. This granularity helps you make more informed decisions about where to allocate travel resources or identify areas where costs could be reduced. As you get familiar with Navan's travel trends and analytics, you'll also notice its integration with other tools. Whether you're syncing data from your travel bookings or importing from other platforms, Navan makes it easy to bring everything together in one place so you can see the full picture. Now, here's the best part. You can try Navan completely free. Just check the first link in the description below for an exclusive offer that gives you extended access to the platform. You'll get a chance to explore all of Navan's powerful travel trend analytics tools without any commitment. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of how to view travel trends and analytics in Navan and why this software can help streamline your travel management and save you time and money. Don't forget to check out the exclusive offer to get your extended free trial and dive into the analytics features yourself. Trust me, it's worth it.